Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to our art class. Today we're going to talk about texture. So let's take a look of these two pictures. As you can see, we have two vegetables here. The first one is a tomato, next is the bitter gourd. From the two pictures, can you tell me which vegetable feels smooth to your touch? All right. The visual feel of the two objects is called texture. Texture tells you how an object feels to one's touch. It is also refers to the smoothness or roughness of an object. Texture can also be rough, scratchy, sleek, silky, soft, prickly, etc. Now let's talk about the two kinds of texture. We've got tactile and visual. First, let's discuss what is tactile texture. Tactile texture is the tactile quality of a surface such as rough, smooth, sticky, fuzzy, soft, or sleek. A real texture is one you can actually feel with your hand, such as a piece of sandpaper, a wet glass, or animal fur. Also, it can be created by an artist by doing a collage. On the other hand, we have so here are some example art using tactile texture. Visual texture. Visual texture is not real in texture. Visual texture is a visual quality of a surface. It is the result from painting or drawing as the real texture. As you see on the example, visual texture is an illusion of texture created by some or an artist. Paint can be manipulated to give the impression of texture, while the paper surface remains smooth and flat. Remember, all textures you observe in photographs are visual textures. And here are some examples of art using visual texture. So that would be all for today in our art class. I'll see you in our next meeting. Thank you and keep safe.